Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to another vlog here on my channel. Looking pasty as always. It is about, I don't have my watch on. It's like 8:30, I believe, something like that in the morning. And we are about to go to the gym and get our fitness on. And then we have a lot of little things to do today. Most importantly, we're going to start like cleaning and like kind of getting rid of stuff because we move this coming week.
I was young and you were broken, but we did the best we could. So many words left unspoken.
Back from the gym, all clean. We're gonna start kind of organizing slash cleaning things up a little bit. Steven just stepped out. He has to go run an errand. Yeah, I'm not really sure where I'm going to start. I think I might start with taking these things down off the walls. Just kind of minimalizing the work that needs to be done this week. Ain't that right, Scout? And you're just gonna sit there, look cute, and watch me do it all. All right, I made some yummy avocado toast because I'm starving. Scout, I know you wanna get onto bed, but Mama's eating. Yeah, so the goal today, kind of like how I said before, is just to organize as best as possible, getting rid of some things, just really going through everything and seeing what we can get rid of or what we can like just kind of organize a little better so it makes moving on Thursday a little bit easier. I think most of that is going to come from our closet because we don't really have a lot of things. We don't own a lot of stuff. Steven just basically has all the furniture in this room. Like the couch isn't ours or anything. The table is mine downstairs, but we don't have a lot of like hefty furniture. It's all just stuff that we have to move.
You get one chance to make it right. I wish I knew back then how to say sorry when it's just for the best. We had it all. I was too young, way too young. I'm drowning in our memories with bittersweet intensity. Gone. Swept away. I never knew so you did the past make beside me.
So this is what I have so far. I think I'm pretty much done for now, but this is a nice little stack of hangers I cleared up. I'm pretty proud of myself. Didn't think I would have this much because I'm pretty good about going through my closet. This stack is like my Poshmark stack, most likely. I'm gonna go through it again and just see the reality of this stuff selling on Poshmark to begin with. And then this is my recycle and or donate stack. And this is Scout. Scout, you're so cute, my little baby. Then I took down these little maps that I had hanging up. Just, yeah, trying to get some stuff off the walls. I'm gonna load it in my car. And there's Steven. That's a Steven. I'm gonna load him in the car as well.
Hi, Scott.
Yo, my boys. It is now Steven's turn to go through his side of the closet, and he's just rapid firing them out.
I'm cleaning out my closet. You know what that sounded like?
No.
My stomach hurts.
Oh, the TikTok.
My stomach hurts.
Is Daddy crazy? Is Daddy a little crazy?
Hey, Scout, clean out the closet, bro.
Clean the closet, bro. Yes, bro.
So Steven's gonna finish cleaning out his side of the closet, and then we are going to go to H&M and drop it all off to recycle. Because they take clothes to recycle. They're doing great.
I'm moving on no matter what.
The power, yeah.
loud.
Yes, 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 Daddy! Sing to me, Daddy!
So weird.
When you sing, Daddy! Ew! Who's a good boy?
On the road without ending, a scene periphery glows. Your lips are illuminated.
Here is the progress. It's more like clear with Steven's side. Like, look how organized that is. I should have showed you what it looked like before. But yeah, I had a good amount of hangers. I'm just really glad about that. My side still looks the same, but like the hangers is where the proof is. So now we are off to the mall to go to H&M to drop off this nice little pile here to recycle it all.
I know this.
We just dropped off our clothes to be recycled at H&M. Rito, do you want to be in the vlog? Yeah, and we got some coupons that he'll probably use. But yeah, oh wow, this is really shaky. The gang's all here. I just keep following you.
Wait.
We're getting Dutch Bros. Chunkers. Dutch Bros! This is some good lighting. Our eyes look really good. This is copyright.
Ew, it's so cringy. Ugh.
What is it?
This.
Our
Why?
eyes
What
look
is it?
good.
Just see, wait.
Wow, I lost my train of thought. the
Soda?
pops, yeah. The one that has whipped cream. Can you do a whipstick on that? Oh no. Do you want it inside too?
On the straw.
Yeah.
Don't. My heart actually missed it. Thanks, and a fleece.
Anna Fleece. That's funny. I'm gonna start calling you Anna Fleece.
My friend, the girl, somebody at Dutch Bros calls
Nope,
me.
I made it up.
Anna Yeet.
Anna Yeet.
On a yeet.
Yeah.
Not playing with their carrot.
You gotta kill it. You gotta kill it.
Fucking just eat it already, Scout. I'm trying, man.
You gotta kill it. Oh, you gotta kill it. Look at this mess. Look at this mess.
What is it? Renegade.
Renegade. So what did we do today? I forget where I left.
Content, that's what
We didn't shoot content. Yeah, you're right. That's what we didn't do. But we went
did get a
and
MacBook.
dropped off those clothes at H&M to recycle. Reno bought a MacBook, which
This is
I don't
talent.
think any of us were expecting. Anais, this is what she accomplished today. Stacking ramen. Yeah, and did a tiny bit of like organizing and moving-ish stuff. And now we are making dinner. I'm making these little like I can't speak, tortellini belly buttons. Some faux vegan chicken.
Can't wait to eat some of that.
You're not eating any of it.